Absolutely beautiful day today. So I thought I'd do a video, and we're going to put down some liquid iron to green up a couple of patches around the lawn, which I'm going to show you right now, which just look a little bit of a different colour compared to the rest of the lawn. So we have this spot just here, which in the middle of the day it normally looks a little bit worse, a little bit more yellow. So we need to get rid of that yellowness in here. And there's just a couple of other spots around the yard as well. I think there's one, that dog's loving life. A little bit just here, colour's not quite even. And, it's really hard to see on camera, but if you look across the lawn, there's just a few spots that aren't quite as green. Looks like I'm lying. There definitely is. So I'm going to show you guys how I green up my lawn, what are products I like to use, and how quickly it works as well. So let's do it. Right, we're going to get straight into applying this now. As I said, the lawn's pretty dark green, but it's going to go darker green, which I always get excited about that. So we're going to put down today this product here. So this is an old product. I've had this for years and years, like before I even started the channel, so it'd be like 7 or 8 years old. So I'll tell you what, it's still surviving pretty well. Goes to show you that these 20 litre drums last a long time. But yeah, you can't get this product anymore. This is an old New Turf one. But I do sell one on my website, which is made by Grub, which is called Vertec Super Iron, I'm pretty sure. So I'll put a link down in the comments for that product today. But basically, this is a straight iron product, so nothing else in it, no nitrogen, nothing. We're just going to put down some iron today, which, you know, is going to give us that real big green up. So that basically is the secret to getting your lawn really nice and green, especially if you've got an iron deficiency or something and you've got some yellowing spots. Iron is really going to help your lawn green up. Now, I love to use this over winter because it does retain a lot more colour in this grass. Because it's not growing much, it's nice to put a bit of a colour kick into it. So I like to normally apply it every, sounds ridiculous, but every two to 3 weeks, which is why I normally have pretty bad iron stains on the fences and the house as well, which I still need to sort out. Still some iron stains on the house. But yeah, that's the secret. That's really going to give you a really nice green up. So how you apply it is with a knapsack. Well, that's what I find anyway, with not too much water. So we're going to go about 4 litres per 100 square metres of liquid to that product as well. So I'm going to put it around about 200 to 300 mil. I think you can even go up to 400 mil with that stuff per 100 square metres, but the secret is not to put too much water in with it, and do not water it in afterwards because this is a foliar application. So what that means is that the plant is going to take it up through the foliage, and we don't want to push it down to the roots with water or anything. We want the plant to solely take it up through the foliage, and then it becomes a very quick working product that you'll see results within like dead set 24 hours. Now I'm going to show you guys the results over the next coming days, so I won't upload this video for a while. I'll give you guys an after in about 3 to 4 days so you can really see the results. But I'll even show you how much different it's looking tomorrow if I remember to record what it looks like tomorrow. But yeah, now, I really like to use this product to help retain some heat in the leaf throughout winter as well. So it's really going to help. Like, it doesn't prevent frost damage, but it can combat it to an extent because you're putting more chlorophyll into the leaf. Well, your plant's going to actually produce more chlorophyll because you're using a liquid iron product, which is going to help produce that chlorophyll. It's going to be a lot more resistant to the frost, the cooler temperatures as well. So it can sort of help your lawn to stop it yellowing off and going that nasty yellow colour that goes from frost. Unless you've got warm season grass and it's going to go dormant, you basically can't stop that. Just get some lawn paint out and paint your lawn, or ever so with some rye. But yeah, anyway, let's get to applying.
I'm sudden but I'm steady. Oh no. And they tell me to move on, cause I deserve more, but still I wanna choose you, yeah. I'll choose. You know exactly how to look like this. Holding in a bag full of goods and needs. I need a night like this. Knowing it's a risk cause you're using it. You got all your secrets. I can seem to move this thing. You're pulling me out, then I'm right back in. I'm on the sideline where you wanted me. I'm by the byway waiting for your lead. I don't wanna fall in love like this, but I can't help to fall for you repeatedly. I'm on the sideline where you wanted me.
Righty, so we are all done there, so I reckon this will be the best spot to show you guys tomorrow and the following days to show how much it greens up, because this is a little bit more lime green because I haven't applied as much stuff to this lawn. Hasn't had granular fert pretty much at all, apart from when I first put it down. So I think this will be the perfect spot to show you guys. Anyway, I'll see you guys in a couple of days with the results. Let's see how it looks. Right, we're back. It has been 24 hours since, exactly 24 hours, since I put down that liquid iron, and it definitely has grained up. Hopefully you can tell on camera, I really hope you can. It's only 24 hours, so I'm going to do an update over the next couple of days. 4 days will be the max. Might skip tomorrow. But yeah, it definitely has grained up. Yeah, let's check the golf green. Alright, golf green here. Definitely greened up. Still got a little bit to go, but there's only 24 hours, remember, so give it a couple of days. I reckon this should be popping. Really popping, but looks good. Alright, let's go to tomorrow or the day after. We'll see what happens time-wise. Alright, it's been 4 days since that original application, and flippity-doo. The lawn is definitely greened up. Man, I hope you guys can see this on camera, because it is crazy how much this has greened up. Ridiculous. Man. Right, let's do some before and afters, and I'll just show you guys how much this really has greened up. But all the new seedling and stuff is looking nice and dark green now. Still a little bit off colour, which is just the way it is because it's got that thinner leaf blade, so all the chlorophyll's not in there 100%, but definitely has greened up. Loving it. Alright, just out the front now, and the front has definitely greened up as well. Just looks more lush and delicious. Another way to explain it. Yeah, definitely looking better. Let's go look at the green. Alright, here's the green. So here's some before and afters just to show you guys the difference in this as well. Love it, man. Liquid iron would have to be dead set one of my favourite products of all time. It's great stuff. Great way to get that nice dark green colour to make your lawn just... Right, well, I'm going to wrap the video up there. Thanks guys so much for watching. Remember, you can get that product on my website. I do also sell a Plant Doctor liquid iron, just a straight liquid iron as well on my website also, under Plant Doctor products in the shop. But yeah, really appreciate you guys watching. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and you have a good week. Right, I just finished editing that video, and you cannot tell in the before and afters. You can't quite tell how much this lawn really has greened up. You can really tell in person. It's a bit of a bummer. Sometimes camera just doesn't show stuff properly. Probably doesn't help that I fertilised the lawn like 3 weeks ago as well, so it already had a nice dark green colour. But yeah, if you're using liquid iron and your lawn doesn't have any iron in it currently, you will notice a huge difference. I've done a few videos in the past where you can see the huge difference in it, but it didn't show up very well in the results this time around. But I'm still going to keep using this through winter, just to help the leaf retain some colour, which, as I said, it does help with your frost damage and stuff as well. So yeah, I do have a bit of low iron in my lawn, so I do need to keep the iron up to get rid of that lime green colour in this grass. But probably didn't help that I put Inoculate Complete out not long ago. But anyway, thanks guys so much for watching, and I'll see you.